Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to look back at South Shore Station in Blackpool. The Blackpool and Lytham Railway opened a line connecting the two towns in 1863. There was already a line from Lytham to Preston, although this would not become a through route until both lines were connected in 1874. South Shore Station opened with the line just south of where Blackpool South Station is today. We're currently looking down on a small car park, which was the area where the station building was located. The new line and station flourished as the resorts expanded. Increased traffic meant that a new station would be needed, and Waterloo Road Station was opened just north of there in 1903. The Waterloo Road platforms on the new Martin line were roughly where the car park is located in the distance. With the opening of the new station, South Shore was renamed Lytham Road. By 1916, two new platforms had been built at Waterloo Road on the Lytham line. This rendered Lytham Road Station surplus to requirements. So what is left today? Well, not an awful lot really. These railings probably date from the time of the station and of course the name Station Road. However, I have seen reference to the station building surviving. Having been relocated to a nearby residential road, it is now in use as a house. I'll leave it up to you to decide in the comment section below, but one thing I will say is that it does bear quite a resemblance to the original building. If you've enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell for future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.